Hey guys, how's it going? So there's some big workhorse news, and the stock popped on really good volume today, and I think that this time it won't flop back down, and this will continue to run to the upside. I could be wrong, and we could see this thing go back down to $16 or low $15, but there was some really big news, and I thought this news was actually really big and should be looked at closely, in my opinion. But so this Workhorse group announces a deal with Hitachi to support growing plans. So the electric delivery van Workhorse said it's entering the strategic agreement to two subsidiary of Japanese electronic giant Hitachi America and Hitachi Capital America Corporation. Under the agreement, the Hitachi America and other Hitachi Group company will help Workhorse scale up its production and build out a nationwide dealership. So why would Hitachi want to help Workhorse with increasing the production? Could it be possibly that the USP deal is coming through, and Workhorse knows this, but they can't publicly announce it because it's part of the government deal, and they need to partner up with Hitachi to create more vehicles so they can sell to these networks and to sell to the USP government. I mean, this is speculation on my part, but it sounds weird for them to all of a sudden, partner with Hitachi if they aren't expecting a huge demand of supply. A huge amount of interest coming for their vehicles in the very short term here. So this is a very good news, and the stock reflected it today. There was a huge amount of volume. It shot up 10%. $1.72. It went as high, I believe it went as high as almost 18, like almost $19. So I think that this is very bullish news, and I think that this is a buying opportunity. But again, I'm not a financial advisor, and I do have some call options on Workhorse. I'm hoping I benefit. I do plan to buy more call options tomorrow because I'm very bullish on Workhorse. I think that Workhorse will skyrocket in the short term here, and I'm loading up on more options. So that's just me though. This is not financial advice. Of course the stock can flop back, but look at this huge amount of volume, and this stock is not even oversold yet. I mean, if we look at the technicals, I mean, it's there's still lots of room for it to move to the upside. So I'm bullish. I think this stock could hit $30 in the very near future, but that's just my opinion, and it may not pan out. And Hitachi is a big company. It's a $31 billion company, $32 billion company, so very big company. I think this is a really big partnership deal. But again, that's my opinion, so we'll see what happens. And then let's look at Workhorse and ARK Invest. As we can see, ARK has 579,000 shares valued at $9.5 million, which is, shows confidence and safety, because if Workhorse dipped, I think ARK will buy more Workhorse stock. So that's, my opinion. So this came out, since I am a shareholder of Electrameccanica, I want to show this to everyone. Don't know if this will help the stock price, but this is on the Facebook page, and as you can see, we're seeing an increase in test drive requests and reservation as we introduce drivers in Arizona through the Solo. CEO Paul Revia stopped by the Electrameccanica kiosk this weekend to tell Solo story, answer customer questions, and gather the insights. Stop by and see the Solo at the Scottsdale Fashion Square, Arizona, or visit us online. So yes, I think so. I think Electrameccanica will be able to sell cars. Why? Because this car is very unique. There's not very many on the road, and people there are people out there buy motorcycles, right? And motorcycle is such a niche market because you need a motorcycle license. Anybody can drive this. That nobody really needs a motorcycle license to drive this because it drives like a regular car. Well, I guess there's some states that require you to have a motorcycle license, but most states don't. And anybody can drive this car. Nobody really needs a motorcycle license. And there are people out there that buy motorcycles. So I believe that there are people out there that will buy the solo car. At least that is my opinion anyways. Don't know for sure. And parking the solo car would be super easy because it's small. So you can like squeeze in tight areas and park wherever as long as there's enough room to move around. You know, I don't know. I think solo can sell a lot of cars. I just wish they update us on manufacturing, like how many cars they're manufacturing, what is their production like. Are they producing, 1,000 cars per month, 2,000 cars per month? Like, I wish they updated us, but they don't. So that's kind of pissing me off just a little bit. But hey, whatever. That's the company's choice. I can't. It is what it is, I guess. There's a reason, I guess, why they don't want to show off the production numbers. Green power vehicle today fell back down $1.65. And my gut feeling tells me that this stock is probably going to hit 20 Canadian dollars. I could be wrong, but that's what I think. I think it's going to have a pullback, but we'll see. GameStop had a pullback near the end of the day, and then after hours it's rallying a little bit. Huge volume candle today. 37.54 million shares traded today. That is huge. That is like the biggest volume candle like in a long time. Like I think this one is 29. Yeah, it is pretty big. This one is 39. Yeah, so that's a really big candle. It hasn't had that candle for a while. We'll see if this will continue. Huge volume. It could flop. Honestly, it could flop. But who knows? We'll see. If you're bullish, I think that it needs to have a correction because it's overbought right now. The RSI is at 82 or 83. So, it could continue to run up a little bit higher. But no, I have a put option on it right now, and if it continues to run up higher, I'll just add on to that put option. So NEO is up 7 cents. We'll see where that goes. Workhorse is down a penny. We already talked about it. Candy today, which is trading sideways. Apple is up $4.23 today, despite trading sideways. NEO had a really nice day today, but kind of pulled back a little bit before the market closed. Diamond Peak Holdings traded sideways today. It was a down day for today, down 16 cents after hours. GMHI also had a rough day today, I believe, if my thing ever loads. Yeah, down 11 cents. Hennessy Capital down today 6 cents. Shell is trading sideways today. Plug makes no sense to me, but they are in the hydrogen space, and there's no really big company in the hydrogen space, and that's probably the reason why it has such a high market cap. Shell today is trading sideways. Already talked about Candy. Micron, decent day today. Aurora today was basically trading sideways, I think. Yeah, trading sideways, down 9 cents after hours. Canopy trading sideways. Kron trading sideways today. Afria had a nice 18 cents day today. Tilray 12 cents. Very good. Butchers, nice day today, up 12 cents. Hive Blockchain Technology, Wow, why is the loading taking so long? Up 3 cents. The rocket company today pulled back near the end of the day, but it's just kind of trading sideways now. I think earnings is either going to pop that. I no longer own this stock, and it's down 1.5 cents today. Meat had a really nice day today. Oh wow, up $1.72. What is going on? That is crazy. Lithium American Corporation up 3 cents. Up today, 51 cents after hours. Up 3 cents. This is the one that I'm bullish on. Avon Global Care plummeted down today. It went all the way to $1.25, skyrocketed, and now it's pulling back. I'm hoping this thing hits $1 because I plan to buy some more stock if it hits $1. Anyways, this is it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.